Hi guys, Casey McFarland here, Envision Health Chiropractic and Wellness Center. Y'all know I'm a chiropractor and a board certified nutritionist. Today I'm going to talk about these two muscles, our sartorius and our gracilis muscle, and the importance of stretching them because they get tight because we sit all day long, and some of us even sleep like in fetal position with our knees bent. And so unfortunately we are in a sedentary, most of us are sedentary, and it is not uncommon for people to come to me and want me to fix their knee pain. A lot of times that is because these two muscles are tight. So this muscle here, it attaches to the outside of your hip and then it kind of crosses around your leg and down to the inside of your knee. That's your sartorius muscle. Okay, this muscle here that attaches on the inside of your thigh and comes down, you can see they both kind of cross at that bottom part of your knee. A lot of people come to me with knee pain right underneath the kneecap on the inside, and oftentimes it's swollen. That's where these muscles attach. Okay, so when we're sitting all day and our knee is bent, it is compressing these muscles, it's compressing that spine, that space, and it's making tight muscle and inflammation. Okay, so I'm going to show you some stretches to help alleviate that. Also, hopefully you get up and move your body a little bit more so those muscles aren't so tight. So hold tight. Let me show you some stretches. Okay guys, stretch number one, for those of you who are able to get on the floor. This is a basic butterfly stretch. Most of you have probably seen this stretch, heard about this stretch. You are just going to sit, try to have your back as straight as possible, feet together if you can. As close. Some of you can only come to here. Some of you are going to be able to use your elbows and push all the way down to the floor as close as you can get. That is going to stretch the gracilis, and you should feel it on the inside of your thigh, which is great. So you can do something like that. Please do not round your back. You do not want to do that. You can lean forward. You can use your elbows to push down this way. Okay? You want to hold for about 20 to 60 seconds depending on what your flexibility level is, and if there is pain, please stop. If there is pain, don't do this. Okay, second stretch, easy. Put your legs out like this, back straight, and you can come down as far, and if this is as far as you can go, that's okay. If you can go further, that's okay as well. Again, that's going to stretch the inside. It's going to get right along the gracilis. Okay, you can even twist your body a little bit, come down a little bit further. That'll get a little bit into your calf and hamstring as well, but that'll also stretch gracilis. And you're gonna also wanna do both sides, okay? That is an awesome stretch. My personal favorite stretch, I call it the frog stretch. And again, if your body can't do this, please don't. You are going to come feet not forward, not completely to the side, about 45 degrees. You can see I'm about 45 degrees out. You're going to squat, you're going to take your elbows and push out. If you want to use your hands as another stability point, you can do that as well. Okay, you're going to push out, and that's really going to stretch gracilis all the way up into the pelvis. Okay, now let's talk about sartorius. That little puppy is a little bit harder to stretch. So we're going to stretch the left side. You're going to have your legs kind of like this, about 90 degrees if you can. If you cannot get to 90 degrees, it's okay to have them a little bit further out. So whatever is your flexibility level, if you continue to stretch, you'll get more and more flexible as time goes on. You are going to lean back, because as you see, it crisscrosses across the body. You're going to lean back, push your pelvis forward a little bit, and then angle your body back. Try to keep your back as straight as possible with a little bit of an arch in it, and you'll feel it stretch right across this line. Okay, again, hold 20 to 60 seconds. That would be awesome. Please do not do these stretches first thing in the morning. You want your body to be warmed up a little bit, okay? So after you've been up and about for a little bit, if you've been having your breakfast or shower or your run, your walk, whatever, walking the dogs, playing with the kids, whatever that looks like. Stay tuned for more health tips. Let's get your knees healthy. Let's get your body moving. All right, talk to you later. Got to mention this little handy dandy stick right here. All right, you can either use something like this to help work out some of those knots along your gracilis and sartorius, or you can use like a muscle gun or something like that if you have it as well. But if you have a stick You can actually just sit in a chair on the edge of a cushion, not a cushion, an ottoman or something like that. And you can just go in and work that muscle, kind of meat tenderize yourself, right? So that'll help with the gracilis. With the sartorius, you're gonna come here and kind of roll angled through the body, okay? Angled through the leg. And that will help loosen up. A lot of people are gonna get pain right here at the bottom of the quad and right here where everything attaches, okay? So you're gonna wanna make sure to work that whole muscle group. All right, I want you all to get healthy and to have less knee pain and fewer complaints and get out there and get moving. Bye.